The Crypto White House Summit is in less than 24 hours, and this is a huge event that could either pump the markets or dump the markets. But what is the most likely option? Well, we asked Elon Musk's AI, Grok, and I guarantee the answer shocks you. So what did Elon Musk's AI Grok predict for the crypto market over the weekend? And what altcoins are likely to explode over the weekend? Keep watching. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. Now, before we give you Grok's response, we first need to give you the latest news from the last 24 hours. We also gave all of this information to Grok for a more detailed response. First off, the upcoming White House Crypto Summit on March 7th, led by Trump's AI and crypto advisor David Sachs, is highly anticipated due to speculation that the Trump administration will announce the creation of a U.S. strategic crypto reserve. The reserve would primarily hold Bitcoin and Ethereum, but surprisingly may also include altcoins like XRP, Solana, and Cardano, as suggested by President Trump on social media. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick hinted that Bitcoin would receive special status, with altcoins treated differently but positively. However, crypto industry leaders such as Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong and Bitwise CEO Hunter Horsley have expressed reservations, arguing that the strategic reserve should exclusively hold Bitcoin due to its role as a stable digital store of value. The summit stems from Trump's January executive order designed to boost the digital asset sector, which included exploring a national crypto stockpile and supporting stablecoin growth. Rumors suggest potential announcements like zero capital gains tax for US-based crypto projects. Attendees include prominent crypto figures like Michael Saylor, Brian Armstrong, Vlad Tenev, Sergey Nazarov, and several influential crypto investors and executives. Plans for a permanent presidential crypto council were canceled due to internal disagreements. Instead, periodic summits and an internal crypto task force led by Sachs will shape future policy. There are various rumors that could pump the market. For example, there is a strong rumor that there could be a no capital gains tax on profits made from USA-based cryptocurrencies. This is extremely bullish, but it is just a rumor at the moment. Interestingly, in the build-up to this, Donald Trump-backed World Liberty Financial triples Ethereum holdings ahead White House Crypto Summit. Crypto traders are closely watching Trump-backed World Liberty Financial's wallet addresses ahead of the upcoming White House Crypto Summit on Friday. Data from on-chain intelligence tracker Arkham Intel shows that the wallet tracked by the tool increased its Ether holdings nearly threefold in the past 24 hours. The firm has accumulated Ethereum through the dips in ETH price, fueling investor confidence in the altcoin. At the time of writing, ETH hovers around $2,200. World Liberty Financial accumulates Ethereum and buys the dip. U.S. President Donald Trump-backed World Liberty Financial has consistently purchased cryptocurrency through recent declines in token prices and holds over $80 million in crypto, according to Arkham Intel's wallet monitoring tool. The tool shows that World Liberty holds 7,100 Ethereum tokens on Thursday. World Liberty's Ethereum holdings climbed from 2,500 to 7,100 in the past 24 hours, as seen in the balances history chart on Arkham Intel. This marks a nearly threefold increase in Ethereum holdings. Typically, the accumulation of Ether by large wallet addresses is a positive sign, as it suggests confidence in price gains in the medium to long term. Sandiment's data shows that 280,000 Ether tokens have been added to the holdings of whale wallets outside of exchanges between March 3rd and the time of writing. Another key metric to watch is the supply of Ether held by top exchange wallets, which has declined by 90,000 tokens in the same period. A drop in exchange supply and an increase in accumulation by non-exchange whale wallets support a bullish thesis for Ether, which is in line with World Liberty Financial's accumulation of Ethereum tokens. This also goes alongside the upcoming Petra upgrade, which could be another bullish catalyst for Ethereum. But what other altcoins are likely to be mentioned in the White House Crypto Summit? Well, we can start off with SUI, as today a partnership between Trump-backed crypto project World Liberty Finance and SUI was just announced. SUI said the following on X: "We're extremely excited to announce a partnership with World Liberty Fi, a Donald J. Trump-inspired pioneering DeFi protocol that is rooted in a shared vision for a more open and transparent financial world. As part of this collaboration, World Liberty Financial will include SUI in their strategic token reserve designed to bolster leading Web3 projects." World Liberty Financial and SUI have begun exploring product development opportunities. Other cryptos that are likely to be mentioned are cryptocurrencies in the Made in the USA section. You can easily find the list on CoinGecko. Another token that I think has a good chance of being mentioned is Ondo, as it is a real-world asset token, and it is built in the USA. Now, let's see what Elon Musk's AI Grok is predicting. We asked it a bunch of questions about this weekend's crypto summit and how the market will react to it, as well as what cryptos could get mentioned and what the likelihood is of no capital gains on USA-based cryptos. So first off, I asked Grok what cryptos could get mentioned, and then asked it to summarize the answer. It said the following. Likely mentions. The White House Crypto Summit, led by David Sachs, will likely highlight cryptocurrencies tied to a U.S. strategic crypto reserve and supportive policies like zero capital gains tax. Key candidates include Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, Cardano, USD Coin, and SUI. Grok created a useful table that you can screenshot to keep it. Factors. Strategic reserve speculation favors BTC, ETH, XRP, SOL, and ADA. Trump's X posts and WLF's Ethereum holdings and SUI partnership signal prominence. Made in USA coins align with the summit's domestic focus. Conclusion. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, Cardano, USD Coin, and SUI have the highest likelihood of mention due to their US relevance and recent hype. I asked what price it predicted those tokens will reach, and I will show you that in just a second. But first, I asked what the likelihood is of no capital gains on crypto and USA-based cryptos. Research suggests there's a 60% chance the White House Crypto Summit tomorrow will announce or indicate support for no capital gains tax on US-based crypto profits. It seems likely this policy could boost US crypto innovation, but it's controversial due to potential revenue loss and favoring domestic projects. The evidence leans toward the policy being discussed, given the rumors in the administration's pro-crypto stance, though it's not guaranteed. It does also mention that it requires congressional approval, which massively decreases the chances of it happening. So I then asked what price Bitcoin and Ethereum could reach this weekend. Bitcoin, current price, $90,795.29. Bullish scenario. Predicted price, $110,000 to $120,000. Reasoning, a strong summit announcement, especially a U.S. strategic crypto reserve and zero capital gains tax on U.S.-based cryptos, could trigger a massive pump. This policy would attract huge institutional and retail inflows, potentially driving a 20 to 30% surge. With recent momentum and Trump's pro-crypto stance, BTC could smash past 100,000, targeting 120,000 by Sunday if the hype sustains. Bearish scenario, sell the news. Predicted price, $85,000 to $88,000. Reasoning, if the summit overpromises and underdelivers, e.g. vague reserve plans or no tax clarity, traders might sell off after an initial spike, leading to a 5 to 10% drop. The current high expectations and low weekend volume could amplify a correction, pushing BTC back towards support levels. Ethereum, current price, $2,275. Bullish scenario, predicted price, $3,000 to $3,500. Reasoning, inclusion in the strategic reserve, paired with a no capital gains tax announcement, could spark a 30 to 50% rally. World Liberty Financial's 7,100 Ethereum accumulation, the Pectra upgrade, and growing DeFi adoption could push Ethereum past 3,000, with 3,500 in sight if sentiment turns euphoric over the weekend. Bearish scenario. Predicted price, $2,000 to $2,100. Reasoning. If the summit disappoints, e.g., focusing solely on Bitcoin or lacking altcoin support, a sell the news event could drop Ethereum by 10 to 15%. Industry skepticism, like Brian Armstrong favoring BTC only and weekend profit taking, might drag it back to support near 2,000. I then asked what the impact will be on altcoins and what altcoins will pump the most. The White House Crypto Summit is poised to be a major catalyst for altcoins, particularly those with US connections or those mentioned in reserve discussions. Here's the breakdown. Positive drivers. The summit could confirm a U.S. strategic crypto reserve, including altcoins like XRP, Solana, and Cardano, as hinted by Trump on social media. This would legitimize these assets, driving speculative buying. A zero capital gains tax on US-based cryptos, 60% likelihood based on earlier analysis, would disproportionately benefit domestic projects, fueling a rally in made-in-USA altcoins. Regulatory clarity, a key summit focus, could reduce uncertainty, boosting investor confidence in altcoins tied to DeFi, stablecoins, or Web3 projects. Potential risks. Industry pushback might limit altcoin inclusion, dampening enthusiasm. A sell the news event could occur if the summit fails to deliver on high expectations, leading to profit-taking after an initial spike. Altcoins are more volatile than Bitcoin, so any disappointment could lead to sharper declines compared to BTC. Altcoins likely to pump the most. This weekend selection criteria: summit relevance, US connections, market sentiment, altcoins showing strength, analyst predictions, top altcoins and price predictions. Ripple current price, $2.6, $2. Bullish scenario, $4 to $5, a 50 to 90% pump. Reasoning, Trump's mention of XRP in the strategic reserve, combined with Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse's confirmed attendance, positions XRP for a major rally. A zero capital gains tax policy would further boost US-based XRP, potentially pushing it to $5, aligning with analyst targets of $8 to $13 in the longer term. Whale accumulation, 270 million XRP in the last 2 days, supports this bullish outlook. Bearish scenario, $2.00 to $2.30. 12 to 24% drop. Reasoning: if the summit downplays altcoins or focuses solely on Bitcoin, XRP could see a sell-off, dropping to support levels around 2. Solana current price, $148.6, $1. Bullish scenario, $250 to $300, 70 to 100%. Pump bearish scenario, $120 to $130, 12 to 19% drop. Cardano, current price $0.92. Bullish scenario, 1.50 to 2.0. $0, 60 to 120% pump. Bearish scenario, 0.70 to $0.80, 13 to 24% drop. It then goes on to say, Sui, Doge, and Chainlink could also experience similar pumps or dumps, depending on what happens. But if you want to be the first to know about what is happening at the Crypto White House Summit, then check out my free Telegram group, linked in the description. You can also subscribe because tomorrow I will be covering the Crypto Summit. But did you know that there are 5 cryptos that could potentially explode this month? Find out more by checking the video on screen now.